Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. This is your Sifu from Chi Nature and Tinjee Dragon YouTube Taoism YouTube channel. So yeah, today we're at a different setup because I want to introduce um, our main god of the lineage right here. Hey, look at this nice poster. Yeah. So we call him Saam Law Tin and there's another title. We call him the Saam Law Tin Si, the Celestial Master. Our religion, the name of the religion, Saam Law Tin Si Do, the Tao of Saam Law or Saam Law Tao. Saam Law, you can say, is like a brand name, right? But it does have a very specific meaning. So Saam Law refers to the place where our source is, the divine power that we're connected to, and that place, it's called Dai Law Tin, and Dai Law Tin has three systems: Tin Law, Dai Law, and Dai Law. Three system. So we here are inside the Dai Law zone, and it's basically like the three system of the whole, you can say, world, how everything is combined into one system. It's a very complex thing, but anyway, that is not important in this video. What's important is the power of Saam Law Tin Si. Yeah, we used to call him Saam Law Si when he is locally here helping us. But also, he have the title of Saam Law Tin Si because of another reason. Now, when you're in our sect, you know it's a secret. And so, to know about his power, right? You see, there's a hourglass and a yum yang symbol, a Tai Chi symbol, right? And what that means, what is that representing, is that his power is about communication cycle and handling, managing, and being able to control time, such as the time in your life. So, what you can pick up from this video right away and use his wisdom is that from now on, whenever you're about to do something, right, you have to be the boss, the one who can control how much time are you going to spend on it instead of being driven by your emotion, or you can say the chi. Yeah, the chi from your surrounding can drive you nuts. It can be like faster, faster, faster. Oh, I gotta get it done. I gotta get it done. And eventually you feel exhausted in life because you don't have control over the matters. So when you do it, you're like, I'm gonna do this for like 20 minutes and I'm done. So you look at the timer, right? Dude, 20 minutes, about time. Okay, I'm stopping. I'll continue later. You can be the one to decide. It's not done. I'll do this like after 2 minutes, I'll come back and do 15 more minutes. It's fine, right? But when you are the boss, you are the one who can control the time. You don't feel exhausted because there's no one whipping your ass and say, you got to get it done, right? You are the boss. Very important. The This one, the Tai Chi diagram, black and white. The white output, black absorb. One talk, one listen, right? The white talks, the black listen. So if you are the white, you're talking, the other guy listen. When they're done listening, right, then it's your turn to listen. This cycle is very important because when people talk between like families or couples or even at work between boss and the worker, they jam each other, and then the other guy is like, I'm not done talking. You don't understand. And that's how all the fight and argument be like just boom, and then you ignite the whole thing. So whenever you're communicating with people, remember the yum and yang takes turn, right? So you got to learn to be a listener, and then when they're done, you ask them, "Are you done? Okay, you're done. Okay, my turn." Now when it's your turn, they don't feel that you are like jamming in and then stopping them from talking, or you don't understand my point, because you're done talking, right? Very important wisdom, right? Yeah. And then you see the robe color, it's yellow orange color robe. Okay, this refers to what we call the D5 power in our lineage, inside our lineage. So yeah, what that means is the power of creation and also control. To be able to control and manage everything in life is very important, including your self control. So many people grow up to, like, 40s, 50s, they couldn't control themselves, and because of that you run into anger issues, emotional issues, and even break up your family because of that. Hey, you got to have self control. How to do that? Well, I will give you one tip. Right? What I learned is you need to live a life with discipline. You set a basic schedule for yourself and go live by it. Every day you continue to live by that schedule. Don't feel like it's a prison or something, right? But you're trying to create a pattern yourself, sticking to the pattern, right? When you stick to the pattern all the time, when something is not right, your pattern will go off. And because of that, you're alert, you're aware, and you can deal with that threat that is messing around and getting you screwed up. So that is what I live by, and that is what you should try as well. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have any more questions and things you want me to talk about, feel free to comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Remote time. Beep.